A practical guide to leveraging AI for affiliate marketing success without an existing audience. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, affiliate marketing remains a powerful strategy for individuals and businesses to generate income. However, one of the most significant challenges for newcomers is the lack of an existing audience. Fortunately, the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, has opened up new possibilities for affiliate marketers to overcome this hurdle and achieve success. This guide will explore practical ways to harness the power of AI to boost your affiliate marketing efforts, even if you're starting from scratch. One of the primary advantages of AI in affiliate marketing is its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and provide actionable insights. By leveraging AI-powered tools, you can identify trending products, popular keywords, and lucrative niches without relying on an established audience. These insights can help you make informed decisions about which products to promote and how to position them in the market. Content creation is another area where AI can be a game changer for affiliate marketers. AI-powered writing assistants can help generate compelling product descriptions, blog posts, and social media content that resonates with your target audience. While it's essential to add your personal touch and expertise, these tools can significantly speed up the content creation process and ensure consistency in your messaging. AI can also play a crucial role in optimizing your affiliate marketing campaigns. Machine learning algorithms can analyze the performance of your content and advertisements, identifying patterns and trends that lead to higher conversion rates. This data-driven approach allows you to refine your strategies continuously, maximizing your return on investment without the need for a large existing audience. Personalization is key in today's marketing landscape, and AI makes it possible to deliver tailored experiences to your potential customers. By analyzing user behavior and preferences, AI-powered recommendation engines can suggest products that are most likely to appeal to individual visitors. This level of personalization can significantly increase conversion rates and customer satisfaction, even if you're starting with a small audience. Another powerful application of AI in affiliate marketing is chatbots and virtual assistants. These AI-driven tools can engage with potential customers 24/7, answering questions, providing product recommendations, and even assisting with purchases. By offering instant, personalized support, you can build trust and credibility with your audience, ultimately leading to higher conversion rates and repeat customers. AI can also help you expand your reach through smart targeting and audience segmentation. By analyzing data from various sources, AI algorithms can identify potential customers who are most likely to be interested in your affiliate products. This targeted approach allows you to make the most of your marketing budget and efforts, even without an existing audience base. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for affiliate marketers looking to attract organic traffic. AI-powered SEO tools can analyze search trends, suggest relevant keywords, and provide recommendations for optimizing your content. By implementing these AI-driven insights, you can improve your search engine rankings and attract more potential customers to your affiliate offers. Social media marketing is another area where AI can provide a significant advantage. AI-powered social media management tools can help you identify the best times to post, suggest engaging content ideas, and even automate your posting schedule. This allows you to maintain a consistent and effective social media presence, gradually building your audience and driving traffic to your affiliate offers. While AI offers numerous benefits for affiliate marketers, it's important to remember that it should complement, not replace, human creativity and strategy. The most successful affiliate marketers will be those who can effectively combine AI-driven insights with their own expertise and understanding of their target audience. In conclusion, leveraging AI for affiliate marketing success without an existing audience is not only possible but increasingly necessary in today's competitive digital landscape. By embracing AI-powered tools for data analysis, content creation, campaign optimization, personalization, customer support, targeting, SEO, and social media management, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business from the ground up. As AI technology continues to advance, the opportunities for innovative and effective affiliate marketing strategies will only grow, making it an exciting time for marketers willing to adapt and learn.